Do you want to take your software testing skills to the next level and earn more from your testing profession? When more skills are added into your profile, this can be achieved, whether you are manual tester or automation tester. I am conducting an AI powered Playwright workshop that will help you master web automation and leverage AI for smarter, more efficient testing. Now, what you will learn in this workshop? Why Playwright? Playwright is the future of test automation. How to set up the Playwright project, installation, and environments. Then you will also learn how to write your first Playwright script. We will learn locators and assertion. Playwright can be also used for API testing. That also I'm going to guide you how to do that. And the most important thing is AI in Playwright. That is, you will learn how you can use AI and you can leverage your skills to do the work faster. Don't miss this chance to upgrade your automation skills and stay ahead in the industry. Limited seats are available, so register now and take the step in your testing journey.